Back in 2024, we received a call about this property in northwest London, large Edwardian building, located inside a conservation area. The concern, ongoing external defects, and signs that water might be getting in. From street level, it didn't look dramatic, but experience tells us if you can see minor issues on the surface, there's usually more happening above and behind the scenes. Moving across the roof, the felt membrane had reached the end of its life. The surface was breaking down. Previous patch repairs were visible. Moss had collected in areas, holding moisture against the covering. Our roof specialists stripped back the old covering completely and installed a new multi-layer roofing system built for long-term performance. LED flashings were reset and secured properly at all critical junctions, ensuring water was directed away from the structure instead of tracking inside. Once the roof envelope was secure, we worked our way down the facade, assessing how the external walls were performing as part of the overall system. Below the roofline, the brickwork had started to show the effects of prolonged moisture exposure. Some bricks were breaking down, mortar joints had opened up, and in places older hard repairs had been introduced. Our restoration team carefully removed the damaged bricks and replaced them with compatible materials that matched the original character of the building. Areas of surface breakdown were repaired, and open joints were raked out and reinstated using breathable lime mortar. That brought the masonry back into balance and allowed the walls to regulate moisture naturally again. From the street, it still looks like the same Edwardian property, but now, the roof performs properly, water is controlled, the walls can breathe again, and the building envelope is working as a system. Thank you for your watching. We'll see you on the next project.